All right, so here at the Red Brick House, this kitchen, and growing up for me, the kitchen was always the central place in the house. We didn't have central air conditioning. The kitchen was always hot because Mom was always cooking in there and doing stuff. And even though we don't have a whole lot of people in here, the kitchen has become the central nerve center, and I love it. I absolutely positively love our kitchen. And this has become kind of my wife's de facto office. And one of the reasons why I haven't been doing too many cooking shows is it's usually stuff that's just spread all out over the countertop here. This is actually one of the few times it's been cleaned because I actually had to do some work on it. So some of you may remember where we had a discussion about the Space Saver pop-up outlet. What?
You're gonna throw me under the bus.
I'm not gonna throw you under the bus. I'm talking about the fans out there. See, you guys out there said, no, don't cut into the countertop. So here it is. This is our Space Saver right here. Now here's what's cool about this. This is cool, okay? So you're thinking, you put a hole in that 200-year-old wood just so that you can put your phone on there and charge it? Seriously? Are you literally that crazy that you would sit there and put a hole in there just for that? Well, wait, there's more. See, I actually have this mount tracks like right here. See this? This is actually a foot massager. They sent me that to try out, and oh my God, it's really good. Only one problem with it. It is so good that my wife has literally stole it from me. But that's not the problem with it. I mean, I guess if I fight her for it, I can probably get it. But we have here an outlet down here, okay? And so that's plugged in there, and then she's got her computer and, her grounding mat and everything else. We do have an outlet that's on the other end, but there's not one down here. So check this out. Hold it. Look at that. USB, USB-C, and outlets all around that thing. It's a fast charger, and if you need to plug something in, it pops up. You don't need it, it's just down there, and you can charge your cell phone. And see, this is a problem for me because I am forever without power. My phone, I use it all day long doing videos. Yeah, I know it's a surprise. I know it's a surprise to you guys, but my phone dies on me, and I'm here in the kitchen, and then I got to find where's my chargers and this, that, and the other. Now, if I'm cooking in the kitchen, I can set my phone right here, and boom, it's charging up. And so what I had to do is basically it's a thick, 3-prong outlet. I had a junction box that's down here behind the stove, which feeds the 2 outlets right there. So I just ended up taking that junction box, popping a plug on there, and then I could plug that into it. So there you have it. This is going to be the perfect thing for making sure that we've got power where we need to. And I don't think it's really that obtrusive. I just don't. I really just don't. I think it's going to be great. All right, there you go. Pop-up outlet. Who knew? I did. And now you do too. First one to use it. What do you think of it?
Brilliant.
You think it's brilliant?
And so is the person who thought to put it in there.
Ah. I just fell out.